Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Uberduck to create auto-tuned vocals and edit music easily, perfect for quick remixes or AI covers. Let's get started. First, open the Uberduck's AI and log into your account, and from the dashboard, select Song Generator. This tool lets you add lyrics and automatically applies pitch correction for a clean sound. And type your lyrics. Then choose a vocal style or character and select genre like pop or rap. Uberduck's AI will automatically add auto-tune to match the beat. And edit and export. Once generated, preview your track. If you want, tweak and adjust the pitch or tempo directly in Uberduck. When satisfied, hit download and share. And that's how to make an auto-tuned vocals with Uberducks in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.